Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding money so purchases succeed. Open the Google Play app and tap your profile, then go to Payments and Subscriptions to view options. Pick payment methods and either add a card, link PayPal, enable carrier billing, or redeem a gift code. Do this now so the balance shows immediately. If a code doesn't apply, make sure it matches your country account. Once done, your Play balance becomes the primary source for apps, games, and subscriptions when available. You choose items and apply your Play balance at checkout. When you tap Buy on an app, game, or in-app item, select Payment Method and pick Play balance. The system deducts funds automatically. For subscriptions, make sure Play balance is the primary payment option or enable mixed payment where required. Google will take what it can from balance, then charge the rest to another method. Also verify price and taxes for your region so you avoid declined purchases due to insufficient funds. You finish by managing balance and handling problems efficiently. Open Payments and Subscriptions to review your Play balance and recent transactions to confirm charges. This helps catch mistakes quickly. If a purchase fails, make sure your account country matches the gift card, check spending limits and connectivity, and ensure the app supports billing with Play balance. If issues persist, use Play support from the app to request help or an authorized refund. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.